Sarah, maon ka dyan. Get up now.
What's wrong, Baba?
Tinatanong mo pa talaga? Hindi mo alam?
What time is it?
Have you no shame, Sarah? Ha? Huwag mo na akong isipin. Pero dapat isipin mo taong sinabi mong mahal mo.
What happened? I'm so confused,
Of
Baba.
course you are. You're confused because hanggang ngayon, lasing ka pa rin.
I didn't do anything. I just went to the bidding and then I went home.
So ano to, Sarah? Tell me!
That's not true, Baba. Fake news to.
Fake lang? Anong isipin ni Kemal kapag nakita niya to?
Baba, I promise I didn't know this guy. Tinulungan niya lang ako.
So what, Sarah? Ha? Ano na ngayon? You should not have gotten drunk in the first place. Sinong lalaki ang magkakagusto sa isang lasinggera na katulad mo? Sarah, makinig ka sa akin. This is the last time. Huwag mo nang ulitin to. You understand?
Hello?
Kamal, Maraba.
Merhaba.
Kanina kasi, may pinuntahan akong bidding. Well, I mean, launch pala yun.
Alam ko, Sarah. Nakita ko na lahat online.
I promise, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Fake news yung mga balitang yun.
Hindi ko kilala yung lalaki nasa picture pero sabi nila boyfriend ko daw siya. Hindi totoo yun.
You know I'm telling you the truth, right?
Sarah, mamaya na tayo mag-usap, okay?
Hindi, wag please. I know, this looks really bad, but I'm telling you the truth. I wouldn't do that to you. You know me. Do you really think that I could do something like that to you?
Sarah, mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. Please, ha?
You're furious at me?
Oo, galit ako. Galit ako dahil hindi mo pa rin makontrol ang sarili mo kahit nangako ka na. Ayaw kitang masigawan ngayon, kaya please, mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap.
Oh, okay. Sige.